Hello friends. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube channel playlist and how to add videos in it. Please subscribe and like this video. So let's get started. First open your browser and go to youtube.com. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on Playlists. Click New Playlist. Type a name you want to give your playlist. Choose visibility. Click here to add videos in your playlist. Click three dots, then click on Add Videos. Here you can search any video on YouTube or choose one in your videos. Select videos you want in your playlist. Then click Add Videos. Then you can see that your videos are in the playlist as you want. Let's see if it works well. It worked well. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.